Take out the machine and its accessories. Install holders. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace a broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the RF and suction body handpiece to the machine. Connect the RF and suction handpiece to the machine. Connect the small Lipo laser applicators to the machine. Connect the big Lipo laser applicators to the machine. Connect the RF and ultrasound handpiece to the machine. Connect the EMS and the EL handpiece to the machine. Put all the accessories into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. After all are connected properly, press the power switch to start the machine. Choose RF and ultrasound function. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended for ultrasound function. Normal mode is recommended for RF function. Ultrasound mode selection, constant working mode, suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. RF mode selection, NOR, fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro, smart mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Pro mode is recommended for first-time users. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Choose RF and suction body function. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Normal mode for RF function is recommended. Suction. Suction time range 0 to 2. 0.5 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range 0 to 2. 0 to 1 is recommended. Suction time should be always longer than release time during treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at a status of constant suction. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area and wait for the cream to liquefy before treatment. Otherwise, there will be blockage. Press button to begin the treatment. There's a knob for adjusting suction level on the machine. You can use it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction. Turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Choose RF and suction function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. Normal mode for RF function is recommended. Suction. Suction time range is 0 to 2. 0.5 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range is 0 to 2. 0 to 1 is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area and wait for the cream to liquefy before treatment. Press button to stop the treatment. Choose EMS and EL function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level for both EMS function and EL function is recommended. Apply gel or essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Choose Lipo laser function. Set parameters. 20 to 30 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 NS level is recommended. M1 mode is recommended. Mode selection. M1 constant working mode, suitable for those with thick fat accumulation. M2 discontinuous working mode with low frequency flash, suitable for those who want to consolidate results. M3 discontinuous working mode with high frequency flash, suitable for those who is slightly fat and want to lose weight. M2 is recommended for first-time users. Please note, time can be prolonged if you only use laser applicators. If you use them in conjunction with hand techniques or other handpiece operation, time should be set within reasonable range. Wrap the strap with proper length around the treatment area. Fix the bigger laser applicators into the strap. Press button to begin the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.